Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are learning how to use stroke path for clean and perfect outlines. First select the pen tool and draw any curve you want on your canvas. Make sure the path looks smooth and balanced before applying the stroke. Now select the brush tool and choose the brush size and textures you prefer. Switch back to the pen tool and right click on your path. Choose stroke path from the menu that appears. Select brush in the option so Photoshop uses your active brush setting. Click OK and watch the clean smooth line appear instantly. If the line looks too thin, increase your brush size and redo the strokes. If it looks rough, reduce